Welcome back. I've got Lori Lyerla joining us again from the Neosho Chamber of Commerce, here to tell us more about Celebrate Neosho. And one thing we didn't talk about in our last segment was how you can, it's a free event, but you can actually earn money and by signing up.
Yes, so we have the Experience Neosho app. So it's a free app that you can download on your phone, and that's where is the best place to find all the details about all the things going on. So you'll find where to register, the times things start, all of that. So, but once you download that, you can and click into Celebrate. There's an entry, and you can enter to win $100 in chamber bucks. So
that's
we
awesome.
encourage you to download that. It's not just great for Celebrate Neosho. We use it for the fair that's coming up the second week of July. We'll have all the details on the fair and the Fall Festival and our Christmas events. And then it's just a great resource to find out about places to eat and stay and shop and play. And so I encourage you to download that. Like I said, we run different specials throughout the year, and notifications come out through that keep you informed about what's going on in the community.
Now, Celebrate Neosho is a festival that you guys have put on for years now.
Yeah, I don't know exactly what year they started Celebrate, but it's been going on a long time. It's had some transitions over the years. It has been out at the airport. It's moved back downtown. A very just family-friendly, fun event. Like I said, there's activities that get you very physically involved with like the bike race and the run. There's activities that you can just relax and listen to music. There's kids activities. Some of the things, there's a bull riding, bungee jumping, just games and different things for the kids, face painting. And then there's all kinds of food. So you can just come and eat every meal, I think, in downtown Neosho and all come in between.
Hungry.
Yes, come hungry and support our community. It is for anyone in the whole area that wants to come out for that. So we're excited about it. It would be a great day and end with beautiful fireworks, so that you can see from anywhere in downtown.
Is this, in essence, the Neosho's 4th of July fireworks
it is.
celebration?
And so it's always held the last Saturday in June. They went with that several years ago just so they're not competing with other fireworks. And I think, Granby had theirs a few weeks ago. I think that a lot of these communities are working together, and that just provides the whole region with lots of opportunities to come out and celebrate with their families and have fun events. And people are in mode for that. We see that past COVID, events are well attended, people are wanting to get out, be involved, and so this is a great way to come out and enjoy some fun.
Mm-hmm. And when communities work together and coordinate their events,
definitely,
then it's good for everybody.
Yeah,
it's good for the businesses.
That's right. We're going to be out here next week to celebrate with a ribbon cutting with all the area chambers. So we're excited about that.
That's right. Yeah. Next Wednesday afternoon, we're going to be celebrating our More Power project out here.
So we're excited. We find that's just very powerful for us all as communities to be working together, because this is a great region, and people are moving here. They're choosing to live here, and what do we find out? Missouri's at 16th in the in the fun. But I think I would
to Wallet Hub.
Yeah, I would probably argue.
Missouri is the 16th most fun state.
That's right. I think
it's
a lot of fun, and it's a wonderful place to live, this whole region. And so, but come Saturday, like I said, all the details can be found on the Experience Neosho app, which can also be found on our website and social media pages. But we'd love for you to come out and enjoy all cruise in or bike in or run in.
Oh, and the cruise in, you said, was a fundraiser as well.
Yeah, the car show is a fundraiser for the American Lung Association that's held at the skate park in Morse Park. It's a $15 fee, but it is the first annual Nova Stuttered honoring him, and the funds raised will go to the American Lung Association. So we encourage you to come out. We know there's lots of car enthusiasts, so you can come out, you can compete in the one that's at 1 and then cruise on down to the square. We have some giveaways and prizes for people that just enter that. There's no charge for the cruise in on the square, and like I said, just plan to spend some money eating and enjoying the fun.
So the afternoon activities are all going to be downtown in the square, and they kick off around 3 o'clock.
Yeah, so the activities on the square kick off at 3. So from the square closes at noon, so that's good to know if you're a business downtown or If you're coming downtown, the streets will be closed because from noon until 2:30 is when all the vendors will be setting up. And then so the main activities kick off on the square at 3. So you can come down and enjoy the park. Like I said, play some disc golf or run in the race, do the bike. We have some of the other things in Morse Park, there's a kids bicycle park, bring the kids bikes and let them explore that.
And the new trails.
Yes, the new bike trails. They're a little more treacherous. They're mountain bike trails. I saw a YouTube video of someone riding them and I thought, that's probably not for me, but
so if you're looking for a challenge
yes.
and you love riding bikes.
That's right. But we also have, I think 2 miles of flat trail right along Hickory Creek. If you haven't been to downtown, to our parks lately, it is beautiful. Our Parks Department are doing an amazing job keeping it. We have a beautiful White River trout stream that runs right through downtown Neosho. And so Big Spring Park is beautiful and all the flowers are in bloom. So we encourage you to come to Neosho. If you can't come Saturday, then come anytime. We've got new businesses that are opening, all kinds of buildings getting remodeled. There's space available if you're looking for a place and you want to have a thriving business in a downtown area. We'd love to talk to you about that.
All right, this is your chance to help them out and celebrate Neosho this Saturday.
That's right.
All right,
Thanks.
Thank you so much for coming on, Lori. We'll be right back.